Hey guys, I'm Jennifer Banz. Welcome back to my channel, Low Carb with Jennifer. Today I want to show you how I use frozen cauliflower florets or frozen riced cauliflower, and I use it to make my mashed cauliflower. I use my Instant Pot because I think it makes the smoothest, the most delicious mashed cauliflower you will ever eat. You're not going to believe how delicious this is. So let's get started. So like I said, we're going to be using frozen cauliflower florets. And so I have my Instant Pot here. I've already got a cup of water in the pot. And I'm going to use this bowl. This is an oven safe bowl. And I'm going to put it in, it fits in my Instant Pot. I'm going to put it in there just to keep it up, to keep the cauliflower out of the water, because we just don't want, soggy cauliflower. And if you have a steamer basket, that works fine. I don't have one right now. The rack really wouldn't work for this because it's not going to keep the, some of the smaller cauliflower pieces might fall through. So if you have a bowl that's oven safe and will fit in your Instant Pot, that is actually perfect. And I can just fit 2 bags of cauliflower, frozen cauliflower florets. So these are 12 ounces each. And I'm gonna put a little bit of salt in here. And the cool thing about the Instant Pot, and it's cool depending on how you want to use your Instant Pot to cook vegetables. It actually cooks vegetables really fast. So I'm actually going to set the time on my Instant Pot for 1 minute. And now it cooks fast because you only pick 1 minute. But if you, it takes at least 10 minutes for the pot to come up to pressure. And then we're going to release all of the pressure at the end. We're not going to do any kind of natural pressure release. So I'm going to set the time for 1 minute. You just hit manual on your Instant Pot and you put it on 1 and let it go. Okay, we have our Instant Pot, or our cauliflower out of our Instant Pot. It's all done. And so what I did was I pulled the Instant Pot out, or the actual pot, and I drained the water out, took this out, drained the water out, and now I'm gonna dump this back in here to make the mashed cauliflower. So for the cauliflower, you can season it how you want. You can put garlic, you can put butter, which is what I'm going to use, of course. Delicious butter, nothing better than butter. And some heavy cream. I'm just going to start with a little bit, just so it doesn't get too watery. And so the best tool for this is either a blender or this immersion blender. And I've used both successfully. And this one works really good. It gets it really smooth. So I'm just going to blend this up with my immersion blender. And it shouldn't take long at all. Okay, we got this all blended up and it's super smooth. It looks so good, so amazing. I'm gonna taste it and see if it needs any seasoning. No, it is perfect. That is so good. Maybe a little bit of salt. I like salt. Use a different spoon. Stir it up, and look at that. Doesn't that just look so beautiful? It looks like real mashed potatoes, and I think they taste pretty great too. And I hope you guys like this recipe. Don't forget, you can find the link to the recipe in the description below, and you can find all of my tips. I've used frozen cauliflower rice to make this recipe. I think the key is definitely the Instant Pot. It makes the vegetables super creamy. And you can also go to jenniferbanz.com and search for Instant Pot cauliflower to find all of my tips and tricks, instructions, And also, if you want to leave a comment or a rating, I would really appreciate it. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.